Hi, I'm Becky. I made the questionable decision to decide to move out of my parents' house during the middle of the pandemic. So I just finished signing the lease for a little one-bedroom, one-bath apartment in Boston. Boston apartments are quite expensive, so I'm trying to save some money. Also, it's sort of difficult with everything being shut down right now because of the whole pandemic. So I'm trying to DIY and upcycle a bunch of stuff that I have for my new apartment. And I really want to make my apartment like my space. Yeah, so I have a bunch of projects I'm going to be working on, and I thought I would share them here. It's sort of a weird situation, so it's going to be interesting to look back on, I think, for me personally. So I wanted to just share some of the ways that I'm trying to like save money or upcycle, or just like ideas that I have during this time. Yesterday I took some old furniture that I had at my house that we've gathered from like antique shows, and it's been passed down through the family. So I painted a couple of those and made them look a lot more clean. So I started off by using like a really fine sandpaper to sand off sort of the top layer. I also like cleaned it down a little bit beforehand to get any like residue off from like makeup or anything like that. Yeah, and so I'm sanding it just to give something for the paint to stick to. I already had this black paint at home, and I just thought it would be really simple if I just used this. This is my dog. She decided that she wanted to come help, or she was jealous that I wasn't giving her as much attention as I was giving this table. So I started by painting it with the drawers pulled out, and so this is after I finished the drawers pulled out. She's helping. And then I'm gonna let it dry and then paint the rest of the outside. So this is what it looked like when it was all painted from the outside. This is what it looks when it's all closed. Then I had this drawer, so I took off these little handle things, and I decided that I wanted to paint it yellow because it's going to be my nightstand. So I had the spray paint laying around, and I picked the yellow color. I took a couple of layers, and then at the end we ended up spraying both of them with this clear coat, clear finish. I really enjoyed my dorm this past semester and a little bit since I was kicked out. And it was like a red, yellow, and blue themed sort of room, but not like super strict, sort of inspired by like Mondrian. And I'll sort of put a picture here. I made this mirror with like decorations around the edge, and I really liked that mirror and really loved the color scheme. It really felt really cozy, but still felt sort of modern without being like too flashy, I guess. I also really enjoy art. My mom was an artist when I was younger, so I always grew up with art around the house. So I already have a mix of art, and I'm hoping maybe to make some more. Moving into my new apartment in a little bit less than a month. So again, not only is it like short notice, everything is still closed. So some things I'm gonna wait to get. I ordered a lot of stuff online, but you know, I ordered from IKEA, but IKEA is not going to be able to get there until after I move in. So I'm going to sort of try and show my process like throughout all of it. I have a feeling that like I won't ever be like fully finished with it because I'm very indecisive. I don't really know what I'm going to do 100% yet, so I think might be interesting to see what changes or what I wanted to do that isn't going to work out because, you know, the world's falling apart right now. But I hope you enjoy. If you have any suggestions of like cool, easy DIY ideas that I might be able to do, please comment them because I need all of the help that I can get.